Hey, is this your first time viewing my video? If so, you should subscribe so you can come back. And if it's not your first time, welcome back. It's good to see you. So, this is my second attempt at the passion twists. And I just want to start off by saying, passion twists were created by the Bohobabe. That's where I got them from. That's where I kind of just assumed how to do them, and then she finally put out a video on how to do them and I watched that, so that's what I followed for this second attempt. When I did them the first time, and I will link that video of when I did my passion twist the first time, I hadn't watched her tutorial, I just saw her have them and I was like, wow, those are pretty. So yeah, just giving credit where credit is due, because that's important. But yeah, so this is my second attempt and I used different hair this time. Like I said, I followed her video, so she suggested the Freetress water wave, so that's what I used. It was $5.99 at my local beauty supply store, and I bought 7 packs, and as you can see I have another one left. I think she says to use 8 for a head full of hair, but I didn't want mine to be too heavy because it is still hot. I got the color 530 because that's kind of what color my hair is right now. And yeah, this is what they look like. And I did play with a little bit of color, not a whole lot. I just put like little pieces that I had left over from some Marley hair and my various other hairstyles. So nothing crazy. And the difference, besides using different hair this time from the first time, I actually separated the ringlets, which I didn't do the first time. That's why my twists were less like twists and more just, they look more like curls, which was still cute, but I decided to do it her way and separate the hair more, and so this is what I got. And I really like the fact that none of them are uniform. And I like that the ends still come out really curly and springy. So what else can I tell you? If you want to know how I maintain the hair, number one, just really quick, I want to insert. I washed my hair before I did this, and I conditioned it and let it air dry. I didn't blow dry it. And I also didn't put a bunch of products on my hair, because I always wonder why my hair doesn't hold the conditioner smell. And I figured it out. It's because we put too many products on our hair and it masks the smell and creates this other smell, and then it gets musty really fast. So instead of like putting curl creams or detanglers and stuff in my hair and all that other nonsense, I didn't put anything in my hair. I just greased my scalp with some oil and went about twisting my hair. And I smelled my scalp all day, the day before yesterday and yesterday. Like I could smell the wonderful Tresemme conditioner in my hair, and it smelled so good and I was so hyped. It's like my scalp feels good, it doesn't feel heavy, I'm not sweating so much because it's not built up with stuff. But anyway, it has nothing to do with passion twists. I just wanted to put that out there. But yes, this is how they are, and they come to my rib cage, and the Freetress braid is 22 inches. I didn't really focus on layering it because I'm lazy, and y'all know I don't, well, for those of you that know, I don't care. I kind of like for my hair to be messy and imperfect because that's me. But yeah, I hope you guys like this. I didn't put any decorations in it or like, you know, any embellishments. Kind of want to just keep it simple. So I'm at 4 minutes, and that's record time for me, so I'm going to get out of your hair now, and stay tuned for more videos from me. And until then, I hope you guys have a good weekend, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!